it's Megan with WTI, and after being on a flight recently, after not having flown in a long time, I realized I was in desperate need of a new carry-on. So I am so glad to say that I filled that need with this TydeCkare 20-inch carry-on. This carry-on has a really handy separate front compartment that securely stores my laptop. A neat thing about this front compartment is that it has these fabric sides that are attached by strong strips of Velcro. I can keep the Velcro attached for while I'm traveling so that the compartment doesn't open too wide and everything spill out. I can detach this Velcro and the front compartment opens much wider for easier packing. The zippers for the exterior laptop compartment and for the main compartment can meet in the same area and lock into this little combination lock. What I think is so cool is that you don't have to open both of the locks at the same time. When you put in your combination, you push the lock one way to open one set of zippers and the other way to open the other set. The straps on the non-zippered section, they consist of these really strong fabric bands that you can tighten to really anchor your clothes down and prevent them from shifting around as you travel. A feature that makes this carry-on super pleasant to use are the extremely smooth rolling wheels. They have a really beautiful, soft, quiet roll that makes it so easy to move around. I cannot wait to take this TydeCkare carry-on with me on my next flight and also for many more weekend trips away. And that's my point of view.